Hello everyone and welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save specific pages from a Microsoft Word document as a single PDF file without exporting the entire document. This is especially useful when you want to skip the cover page or any sections you don't need. Now here's what we're working with. I have a Word document that includes a cover page, meaning the actual content begins from what Word considers page 2. That means when we refer to pages using the navigation pane or during printing, we have to account for this shift. The pages I want to save are page 1, pages 3 to 5, page 8, and pages 12 to 15. But once we adjust for the cover page, this becomes page 1 becomes page 2, pages 3 to 5 become pages 4 to 6, page 8 becomes page 9, and pages 12 to 15 become pages 13 to 16. To be sure we've got this right, I'll go ahead and open the navigation pane. I'll scroll through and confirm that the content I want to include matches the adjusted page numbers. So far, everything checks out. Let's look at a problem when we try to use the Export to PDF option. Here you will realize that there is no option to enter different range of pages as we want. We can only export all pages, current page, and only one range of pages. We can't have multiple ranges. How do we fix this? We can solve this problem by using the print option instead of the export option. Let's get to it. We're going to print those specific pages to PDF. So go to the File tab and click on Print. In the Printer dropdown, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. This allows us to save the output as a PDF instead of sending it to a physical printer. Now in the Pages box, we'll type the exact pages we want using the adjusted numbers. 2, 4 to 6, 9, 13 to 16. Be sure to separate single pages and ranges with commas and use hyphens for continuous ranges. Once everything is set, click Print. Choose where you'd like to save the file, give it a name, and click Save. And just like that, Word has created a PDF file that contains only the specific pages you selected. No cover page, no extra sections, just exactly what you need. This method is great for submitting partial reports, creating custom handouts, or sharing select portions of a document. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and be sure to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more time-saving tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.